Haha! We are the last! We are the last! Nothing behind us but the safety car. We know there's a little bit of something down on the way into Luncheon. Oh, let's just wait for Tim. Tim's behind. Oh, look at this view! Look at the spectacular view! It's so beautiful. T13. Over to the right. Zipping in. Little bit of cheeky knee down, cheeky. Oh, there goes the peg. Lol. Peg went down before the old knee went down there. 2 kilometre side, back in again. I'm just cruising, we're not going full throttle. I mean, you'd drive it through there if you were going for a fast lap. Double apex, so here's your first apex, and then you go all the way out and all the way back. The faster you go, the more track you use there. We're not really going fast enough to use all the track at the moment. Kind of a momentum thing, kind of a lean angle thing. Look at this beautiful old 911. Could even be a 912 actually, which is the 4-cylinder. Oh, let's just wait for... Man, it stinks like oil though. Just wait for Tim. There he is. Still got his indicator on. Still got his indicator on. Indicator's cancelled. There he goes. Start to come out of the old Porsches there. Right, what should we do for Nathan and stateside supercars? We'll do a bit of knee down. And then we're going to do a nice wheelie. No, it's a shit wheelie. Oh, Dale. Launch speed was too high, I didn't get it up high enough. Couldn't get it up. Couldn't get it up. Shit wheelie. Oh, the ignominy. The shame. It will live with me forever. We lost him a bit. 108 and then in. Hit. catches us up. What's him? Lots of people asking me how I'm doing the wheelies here. Apart from the word badly, they're doing like this. Go, oh, I'm going over the top. Oh shit. Oh, tonight is a night of shit wheelies. I'm very sorry. I only did one good one and it was right at the start. Lovely. Oh shit, ran out of ground clearance. I thought 200 was a kind of good cap there, but that was too fast. There you go. Catching me at this. 125 is catching me. Here we go. Here we go. He's getting closer. Good. Down a bit. Here he comes. Just try and drag him in. Oh, get faster than he did before. See if we can make that work, eh? Okay, let's go. Launch. Get ready. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's go. Boy. Just jumped in 6th gear there doing the wheelie. Oh my word. I love it. That bit's very much, oh mate. That bit's very much like the Isle of Man. Apart from the bit where I dig in the peg and nearly come up.